after that, my SLP admitted.
No, the Supreme Court has not heard all this. No.
Well, I
You
have
didn't
received
say
the
this.
order.
What has happened, Milord? This is
Well,
all that matters. No, please.
Learned senior
All that.
present
No.
there.
I was not. Don't
Pointed
say all
to
this.
the Supreme Court.
Don't say all this.
Sir,
Don't
kindly
that.
fix
Don't
after
make.
11th,
Milord, what has happened?
copy
What
of
has
this.
What has happened?
There.
All that SLP branches
No,
are coming
not
and they are
a single
saying
I have not
there are
correct
untainted
statement.
teachers. We are saying yes, these are the untainted teachers. We have given them admit
No,
cards.
I fail to understand without going into the niceties that once you have filed an SLP, which is an order was passed on 25th August 2025, and matter will come up further process will be postponed accordingly. So this is the order passed that as it was passed in other matter.
Yes.
Now, why you subsequently have filed the present petition? Because this was filed on
prior to that.
No.
I have.
Yes,
21st July it was filed.
21st July, after the judgment of delivery of the judgment of the division bench. After your lordship had passed the I hope it was anyway 7 July, 14 July, anyway 7 July, 14 July division bench, 21st July Supreme Court. First matter is the 21st July, which has been dismissed, and this has been filed on 21st July.
The order of this,
I do not mind. Let him give an undertaking. He will not proceed with the SLP.
No, that is
No. You can't have. It cannot have same prayer.
If I would take any wrong in the SLP, then I will give in the undertaking. But because I have stated in the
it is hit by doctrine of res judicata.
In the SLP 16 July 2025, Arunima Pal is challenged.
Arunima Pal has challenged.
And I have 1024.
10?
Mat 1024 is
arising out of that.
Yes. So division bench order was challenged by the petitioners.
By the petitioner also.
Petition pending.
May I just take lordship? What has happened? Two types of one that Arunima Pal was an unsuccessful candidate. All their SLPs were dismissed. So, but the untainted teachers they are not covered by Arunima Pal. But all their points have been covered. Supreme Court has said all right.
Relaxation has been granted
relaxation
to the extent of 45%.
If anybody is there, but not a single case is 45%. Relaxation was required, 50% all they have there. Now that has been given. Now the same challenge, the rules, which was your lordships, I have already pointed out to the court. These points have been covered because of the Arunima Pals you have dismissed. The court is saying all right, we have issued the notice. On the next day we will see to that. Anyway, now the point here is OBE Sadhu Khan has filed an SLP special petition against the Arunima main judgment, your lordship's judgment, and then they marched with the division bench judgment. Against that judgment, entire rules have been challenged. Here is also entire rules have been challenged. Therefore, this naturally this petition is not maintainable. If it is maintainable, I don't mind. Then in that case, your lordships follow your lordship's judgment.
In that case, after pending,
I don't mind. Kindly take it, and I will rely upon your lordship's judgment.
Sanjay Doli,
Sanjay Doli, na? Yes, Sanjay Doli. Follow that, Milord. That
I have
accepting untainted part. Your lordships kindly follow that.
Taken the averment, the writ petition is pending. That's why I come before your Supreme Court, because this same issue, the order has been passed by the honorable single judge. I have not stated the writ petition not pending and separate issue. In connection of this writ petition, I file the SLP. I have also annexed in the SLP. This is the writ petition. This is pending before the honorable single bench. So after that, the SLP the admit. And not fixed on the 11th September, the matter is fixed. Kindly take it up 12.
Why both the proceedings were on the same
because one judgment just I rely on this.
Submitted before the Supreme Court that you filed the writ petition.
Yes.
You filed a writ petition.
Yes, I have
and therefore you are not pressing this SLP. That was not your case.
Yes. After writ petition was pending the writ petition, thereafter SLP has been filed.
Yes. So you could have withdrawn the SLP from the Honorable Supreme Court in view of pendency of this writ petition.
Well, I have stated in the issue, apart from that, SLP to be admitted by the Supreme Court.
So if SLP is admitted, let it be decided how this writ petition is pending.
In this connection, I have filed a SLP.
No, you have filed
if SLP
against Arunima Pal.
No, I have annexed in writ petition.
Your SLP is against the order dated 16 July 2025, passed in MAT 1024.
Yes.
Passed in MAT 1024. Mr. Bandyopadhyay, MAT number is not telling.
No, MAT number, Arunima, he challenged the judgment of Sanjay Kumar Dolui. Sanjay Kumar Dolui, and there are different MAT number was there. Subject matter is same. Sanjay Dolui decided in terms of Arunima Pal. Arunima Pal. In that case,
Arunima Pal was decided in terms of Sanjay Dubey.
correct. But Arunima Pal appeal was taken up first.
Yes.
Arunima Pal appeal was taken up. Joseph
That order is dated
Division
21st
bench
July,
judgment is
21st July 2025. Arunima Pal appeal before the Supreme Court.
yes.
Division
bench
Arunima
judgment.
bench I have.
Yes. Arunima Pal SLP was dismissed. Then all tented, all waiting list candidates, etc., those who are not successful, all their SLPs were dismissed. Correct. Second part is coming right from Vivek Parua. Vivek Parua is an untainted teacher, and he was saying that he didn't get the admit card because of that. We have said
Teachers are not untainted teachers.
no.
Yes.
Yeah, they are untainted. They are untainted. They have got the admit card. They have
Got the relaxation.
No.
but relaxation was not required in their case. Yes, they are not required. Admit card was given and not required. Now, in the appeal, it's SLP itself, they have challenged that Arunima Pal, Sanjay Dole, whatever the cases. In his case, the SLP kindly similar that he has challenged. SLP copy ache? Mal kindly excuse me, Malad. I am giving from the iPad. Kindly excuse me. This is the SLP page now.
No SLP copy.
Yes, it is with
Tomorrow I'll bring the hard copy of the
It is
SLP.
with me. Sanjay Kumar.
Scroll down, Milord.
They kindly see Sanjay Kumar Doli, page 1, and then Milord see then page. Can see the issues involved in this appeal. Then they have annexed the Arunima Pal. This is the impugned judgment before the Supreme Court. This I am saying impugned judgment of the Supreme Court. Now Milord kindly see the judgment. Then you lost got it.
Yes.
Hello, got it. Now Milord kindly come. Just I will show to you. See, forget about this judgment. Now kindly come to points. Point of law. And kindly see now. Kindly come to page 30.
1-3.
30 fast. 30. Why I am showing the cause title. Obj Sadhukan, not a party, picture number 1. Not a party means in the Calcutta High Court, they were not party.
Yes, Obj Sadhuka, point number 1.
No, not a party, all they are not a party. Then kindly come to my lord, page. Page kindly see. Kindly come to page 44. Then 45, question of law.
44.
Yes. 45.
Yes, question of law.
Whether the Honorable Division of the Honorable High Court have failed to consider the incompetency of the Honorable High Court's order dated 27 the response of the published notification, but the person notification so and so is completely different from the 2016 file written, and the several points have been newly included so and so. Whether Honorable of the Honorable have failed to consider the School Service Commission have published notification so and so. Entire process is being carried out so and so, so and so. Same question. Whether the Honorable Division of the Honorable High Court failed to appreciate that the contents of the notification Rule 2020 in itself are contradictory, uncertainty, and also against the well-settled principles that the process of selection cannot be changed in the midway, so and so. Then kindly see next point, whether the Honorable Division of the Honorable High Court have failed to consider that in the new notification the committee reserves the rights to cancel with so and so, so and so. Then whether the Honorable High Court have failed to consider the entire recruitment has been changed and the rules of second selection is completely changed. The response authority is totally contrary to the observation. Whether the Honorable Division of the Calcutta have failed to consider the academic marks of the written test as well as the interview as well as professional test has totally changed. All marks so and so, so and so, so and so, so and so. Whether the Honorable Division Bench of the Honorable have failed to consider in the previous notification there was a clarification that one candidate may apply in the post of so and so by giving marks. Whether the Honorable Division of the other kindly see entire rule has been changed. Challenge. And let them say, I will be happy. Let them say, all they are urging, if the selected candidate they teaching experience don't want, we will delete it.
No, that is not.
Supreme Court has said to them, you see, the rules have made in such a way that all candidates should be appeared, and you have given 10 marks extra
For past experience.
past experience. Very honestly, to accommodate them. If they don't want, we will delete it. We'll delete it.
So
Let them agree.
You are permitted to participate. Admit card issued. Now you are challenging the 2025 rules. That rule, the validity of this rule is one of the issues before the Supreme Court in connection with the SLP, where an judgment was passed in your SLP. So how this present writ petition is maintainable?
Lord, present writ petition prior to
আমাকে
that I
এটা
have
দেন,
filed. Before filing.
My lord, one judgment just I showed to your lordship,
Before.
just one, 2007, 6 SCC,
120.
120. That's
Paragraph
a
18.
paragraph 18, my lord, I am giving to your lordship, my lord, court content.
The court.
The court would not ordinarily permit a party to pursue two parallel remedies in respect of the same subject matter. But where one proceeding has been terminated without determination of the list,
SCC 6 SCC 120.
120. Joseph के paragraph तो बार कोड दी दे. Paragraph 12, Joseph के दी.
This is not, my lord, placed before the Supreme Court at the time of hearing. My learned senior friend was, my lord, the senior.
No, no.
Present there. Well, I have stated, my lord, writ petition is pending. That time opposed. Thereafter, my lord, the
No, opposed.
allowed. Because, my lord, I have not suppressed anything. Well, I have stated, my lord, similar issues. The division bench also hold that, my lord, the selection process is legal. That's why, my lord, I filed the SLP before challenging that order.